Well, good morning. We have a visitor today. This is Hemant Gorora, whose nickname is Bitto. And we always call him Bitto. He worked with me at Motorola when I was back there doing stuff for about 20 years. He's an engineer. He's probably the smartest engineer I've ever known in my life. We worked really closely and been a friend ever since. So he's been enjoying these videos, which I appreciate. And he dropped by today for coffee, so we just had a cup of coffee, and now we're just out here looking at the bike. Probably not going to do too much, but Kevin's working on the other side. And B2 had a few comments on fixing motorcycles, and he and Kevin go for it, because it's... Speak.
Yeah.
We're on video now.
Any ideas
Say something.
I don't know, something needs to be tightened. Do you need anything over there?
Well, yeah. You want to hand me a Phillips screwdriver?
Phillips. Is that the X? Is that the X one?
That's the X one.
So this is Phillips.
That's Phillips.
Why do you have Phillips' screwdriver? Anyway.
Yeah, I can see why he's in tech.
Yeah, he's in tech.
So since this is I assume this is a wireless kind of motorcycle. Do we need to reboot it before you try to start it?
It's a 1968 motorcycle. You're in tech. Did Bluetooth exist in '68?
No.
No. Okay, at least not for motorcycles. Yeah.
No.
We do have a box today. You know.
Oh, well, boxes are good. Oh, it's got wires. I like wires and boxes. Does it have any pretty lights? Yeah, these are nice. I like it when they flash.
Yeah.
That's good.
Okay, I can't handle much more of this. You two are so bad.
There we are.
I'm here to help.
There you go. Ooh, pretty light.
Oh, God help us.
Yeah.
All right, so anyway, it's my good buddy B2. And Kevin and I are having some fun today. Anyway, we'll get back to the bike probably the next day or so. We're going to put the heater, the shop heater right up against the motor, run it for a while, warm the cases up as warm as we can. We're going to try kick-starting it some more. If we can get it started at all, we're going to use the suggestion that we use the tickler to sort of flood the engine, trying to keep it running. And then I've already talked to my good buddy Roger, and he's bringing up his rollers, his starter rollers. And that'll be our last option, to actually put the starter rollers under it and see if we can spin it fast enough to get it to start, and get it start long enough to warm it up, and see what happens. So that's where we are. We're close to the end of the process of making the decision to take the top end off and try to address the low compression problem. Anyway, that's where we are. Say goodbye, Kevin, everybody. Say goodbye, Victor.
Hi.
Okay, and that's it for today. We're gonna take the rest of Sunday off.